Morning, folks. I know it's early, and guess what? My dad cut me hair. So guess what? I'm finally back to normal. No bangs or fringe hair anymore. So I'm happy I'm finally back. Goodbye fringe, goodbye bangs, and say hello, back to normal. Anyways, I'm gonna do the fettuccine alfredo with chicken broccoli for breakfast. It's a pasta and creamy sauce with white chicken broccoli from Micheladas. I'm gonna open it, so it's just for breakfast, only for me. Just for me, not for you guys. So here we are. It's frozen. I know it's frozen, so I have to heat it in a microwave for about 3 minutes. I'll set it right now. Smells good. You like fettuccine alfredo? I do. I had it with the Wegmans brand last time when I make a video. Right now I'll do it a Micheladas brand, a fettuccine alfredo, creamy pasta with broccoli and chicken. First thing in the morning. Lemons. When life gives you lemons, you can put creamy Philly pasta with chicken and broccoli, Italian dinner. Sorry, I'm just joking. I'm kidding. So, it's ready. Oh, damn, it's hot. Well, let me see when you cool off. It's still frozen. I checked it. It's frozen. I need to wait for 1 minute. Another minute, like 4 minutes. It looks hot. Well, thanks for watching of the Micheladas fettuccine alfredo. I dropped it. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.
Inside a Playhouse Disney.